Hello everyone, welcome to a new tutorial video where I will be showing you guys the masking transition, also known as frame blocking, which I have been using in a couple of my videos as you can see right here. So before we start this tutorial, make sure that one of your clips have some sort of object passing by your camera, and make sure that the object is a straight object, for example a pole or a stick passing through, as you pan your camera so that it will be easier to edit it during post-production. Bear with me, you'll understand what I mean in a while. So as you can see right now, I am currently in Premiere Pro with two of the clips which I will be using for this tutorial. What you want to do first is move the first clip to the layer above and the second video underneath your first clip at the point where you want to start the transition. Once that is done, select the free draw bezier, then move the marker to the position where the object blocking the video is ending, and use your free draw bezier to mark the points in which the video is no longer blocked. Next, make sure you check the box next to inverted under your mask properties so that it will show you the first clip which you are doing the masking instead of the second clip. Before you start masking, make sure to select mask path to create a keyframe so that Premiere Pro will be able to track your mask path as you are tracking it. Next, you will have to mask along the object frame by frame. I know it can be tedious, but trust me, the results are worth the effort. Now go to the start of the second clip and move the mask out of the frame. And that's it, good work. Now you just have to export the file and you are good to go. I hope this tutorial has helped you out. It would be great if you can drop a like or hit subscribe to help this channel out. It will mean so much to me. Thanks for watching and I will see you guys in the next video.